The dawn breaks softly, but your mind is already a battlefield. A restless night lingers, heavy with questions that have no answers. Why does effort feel futile? Why do others' words cut so deeply? Why does the world's chaos seem to steal your clarity? You stand at the edge of a new day, yet the weight of yesterday clings like damp fog. What if you could shift the lens of your soul, seeing life's trials not as burdens, but as invitations to grow? This is the promise of Stoic philosophy, a timeless art of reframing pain into purpose. Welcome to Stoicism Exercises, Crocker 16, brought to you by Stoic Rain, where Stoicism exercises ignite Stoicism motivation, nurture mental health, and guide Stoicism for beginners. Ready to change your perspective? Say, I shift my lens in the comments, and let's dive into 14 transformative Stoicism practices to reframe your Stoicism daily life. Stoic philosophy isn't a cold doctrine. It's a warm embrace of life's messiness, from fractured connections to relentless pressures and quiet doubts. Inspired by Marcus Aurelius's introspections and Epictetus's unyielding resolve, these Stoicism exercises blend heart and discipline to sharpen mindfulness, boost productivity, and deepen self-improvement. Whether you're seeking Stoicism for women, exploring Stoicism on love, or embracing Stoicism lessons as a beginner, this guide is your compass to see anew. Meet 6 people who reshape their perspectives with Stoicism practice, then try 14 groundbreaking Stoicism exercises to reduce anxiety and thrive. Nora, a 30-year-old librarian, felt trapped by repetitive tasks and judgmental colleagues, dulling her passion. The prism of meaning practice illuminated her purpose, boosting her mental health. Stoicism for women rekindled her joy. Khalil, a 44-year-old chef, faced burnout from long hours and demanding customers, clouding his creativity. The frame of clarity practice steadied him, enhancing his productivity. Stoicism motivation restored his craft. May, a 27-year-old social worker, wrestled with clients' pain and her own empathy overload, draining her spirit. The mirror of distance practice grounded her, fostering self-improvement. Stoicism practice preserved her warmth. Julian, a 41-year-old accountant, felt crushed by tax season's chaos and family expectations, blurring his focus. The lens of control practice anchored him, nurturing mindfulness. Stoicism for beginners clarified his path. Aisha, a 35-year-old entrepreneur, battled self-doubt and market setbacks, shaking her vision. The horizon of growth practice lifted her, empowering self-improvement. Stoicism lessons fueled her resilience. Leo, a 50-year-old nurse, felt worn by endless shifts and societal tensions, dimming his hope. The window of virtue practice realigned him, sparking motivation. Stoic philosophy sharpened his care. Nora, Khalil, May, Julian, Aisha, and Leo show Stoic philosophy transforms burdens into clarity, from work to heart to soul. Here are 14 revolutionary Stoicism exercises to forge your Stoicism mindset. Ideal for Stoicism relationships, Stoicism for beginners, and those seeking Stoicism daily perspective. Top 14 Stoicism exercises to change your perspective. Prism of meaning. Find purpose in routine. Think of what you have rather than of what you lack. Seneca: when monotony dulls like repetitive work, hold a small object, a pen or stone, for 10 seconds, picturing a prism splitting light into colors. Name one way your task serves others, like organizing books for readers. Act on it. Then, whisper, "My prism shines." Draw a triangle in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise boosts mental health and Stoicism motivation, reframing purpose. Nora prism to love her work. Frame of clarity, refocus your mind. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius: when chaos clouds, like demanding clients, rub your thumbs. Together for 12 seconds, imagining a frame sharpening a blurred image. Name one priority, like finishing a dish. Focus on it, then say, "My frame clears." Sketch a rectangle in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice enhances productivity, grounding Stoicism, daily focus. Khalil framed to create with calm. Mirror of distance, detach from pain. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Marcus Aurelius, when others' words sting, like harsh judgments, close your eyes for 8 seconds, picturing a mirror reflecting their words away. Ask, is this about me or them? Respond with kindness like a nod, then say, my mirror reflects. Draw a circle in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise fosters self-improvement, easing anxiety. May mirrored to stay compassionate. Lens of control. Master, what's yours? There is only one way to happiness, to cease worrying about things beyond our power. Epictetus, when stress overwhelms, like tight deadlines, tap your forehead twice, picturing a lens zooming in on what you control. Name one action, like organizing tasks. Do it, then say, my lens focuses. Mark a dot in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice nurtures mindfulness, strengthening Stoicism for beginners. Julian lensed to balance his life. Horizon of growth. Embrace setbacks. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Marcus Aurelius, when failure hits, like a lost deal, stretch your arms wide for 10 seconds, imagining a horizon expanding. Write 3 ways this setback teaches you, like refining strategy. Act on one, then say, my horizon rises. Draw a line in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise empowers self-improvement, sparking Stoicism motivation. Aisha horizoned to rebuild her dream. Window of virtue. Act with integrity. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Epictetus, each morning, twist a ring or watch for 12 seconds, picturing a window revealing your best self. Name one virtuous act like helping a patient kindly. Do it, then say, my window opens. Sketch a square in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice fuels motivation, grounding Stoic philosophy. Leo windowed to care with purpose. Veil of patience. Soften frustration. Patience is an invincible challenge. Seneca, when irritation flares like a rude comment, press your palms together for 10 seconds, picturing a veil softening sharp edges. Ask, what can I learn here? Offer patience like a calm reply, then say, my veil endures. Draw a curve in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise strengthens Stoicism relationships, fostering Stoicism on love. May veiled to connect deeply. Spark of gratitude. Reframe the day. Nothing is more honorable than a grateful heart. Seneca, each evening, hold a small item, a key or coin, for 15 seconds, feeling its texture. List 3 gifts like a colleague's help or a challenge's lesson. Write how one shapes you, then say, my spark glows. Draw a star in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice boosts mental health, reframing Stoicism lessons. Nora, sparked to find joy. Crest of courage. Face your doubts. The only way to ease our fear is to face it. Seneca, before a bold step, like speaking out, clench your fist for 12 seconds, picturing a crest rising above waves. Name one brave act, like sharing an idea. Do it, then say, my crest ascends. Draw a peak in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise empowers self-improvement, igniting Stoicism motivation. Aisha crested to chase her vision. Kirk. Stream of release. Let go of noise. All things are in flux. The flux is subject to change. Heraclitus. When distractions overwhelm like news overload, trace your wrist for 15 seconds, picturing a stream, washing away clutter. Name one thing to release like checking feeds. Let it go, then say, my stream cleanses. Draw a wavy line in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise eases anxiety, enhancing mindfulness. Khalil streamed to stay. Creative to Guatemalan, pillar of presence, stay in the now. Each day provides its own gifts. Marcus Aurelius. Midday, when chaos peaks like a packed schedule, stand still for 15 seconds, feet rooted. Picture a pillar standing tall. Breathe deeply, then say, "My pillar grounds." Note one present moment in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice fosters mental health, grounding Stoicism daily clarity. Julian pillared to stay focused. Glow of reflection. Review your heart. Examine your day before you sleep. Seneca at night. Sit quietly for 12 seconds, picturing a glow illuminating your actions. Ask, did I act with virtue today? Note one win, like staying patient. Then say, my glow reveals. Draw a crescent in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise deepens self-improvement, strengthening Stoicism lessons. Leo glowed to grow as a nurse. Dawn of intent. Begin with purpose. Begin at once to live, and count each day as a new life. Seneca, each sunrise, sip tea or water for 20 seconds, savoring its warmth. Plan one purposeful act, like mentoring a colleague. Do it, then say, my dawn rises. Mark a sun in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice sparks Stoicism, motivation, uplifting mental health. Nora dawned to inspire her team. Arc of empathy. See their struggle. Kindness is invincible, provided it's sincere. Marcus Aurelius, when conflict arises like a tense talk, hum softly for 8 seconds, picturing an arc connecting hearts. Ask, what's their pain? Offer empathy, like listening fully, then say, my arc binds. Draw an arc in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise strengthens Stoicism relationships, fostering Stoicism on love. May arst to heal connections. These 14 Stoicism exercises are your lens to reframe life's chaos, turning burdens, doubts, and conflicts into clarity, resilience, and connection. They reduce anxiety, boost productivity, and transform perspective. Whether you're new to Stoicism for beginners or refining Stoicism practice, these Stoicism lessons weave Stoic quotes with actionable steps for mindfulness and self-improvement. Perfect for Stoicism for women, Stoicism on love, or anyone seeking Stoicism daily habits. They shift how you see the world. Start with one Stoicism exercise like Prism of Meaning for Purpose or Arc of Empathy for Connection. Practice it for 7 days. Track it in your Stoicism journal, and watch your Stoic philosophy bloom. These Stoicism daily practices are your canvas painting a life of wisdom and calm. Stoic philosophy isn't for ivory towers. It's for real people like Nora finding joy in routine, Khalil reclaiming creativity, May preserving empathy, Julian balancing duties, Aisha defying setbacks, Leo renewing hope, or you navigating life's fog. These Stoicism exercises fit into busy days, taking moments but delivering timeless clarity. They reframe your perspective whether facing workplace stress, personal doubts, or strained bonds. For Stoicism relationships, they build empathy. For Stoicism motivation, they spark courage. For Stoicism for beginners, they make wisdom vivid. Stoicism isn't about ignoring pain. It's about reframing what you carry, your thoughts, your choices, your heart. Picture a heavy moment, a colleague's slight, a missed goal, a restless night. Instead of sinking, you say, I shift my lens. That's Stoic philosophy at work, fueled by Stoic quotes. These Stoicism exercises are your prism, crafting a Stoicism mindset that sees clearly. Life is a mosaic of trials, pressures, doubts, joys. Stoicism hands you a lens to see it as art, weaving resilience, clarity, and connection. You need no tools or hours, just a Stoicism journal, a spark, and these Stoicism practices to guide you. These Stoicism daily habits shape your life into a masterpiece of intention and grace. The world's fog, conflicts, setbacks, noise can blur your vision, but Stoic philosophy, rooted in Stoicism lessons, shows you how to see anew. These Stoicism exercises turn obstacles into openings, keeping your mental health vibrant and your spirit open. Try Frame of Clarity tonight. Feel its power. Keep reframing, and your Stoicism daily habits will build a Stoicism mindset that's clear, grounded, and yours. Stoicism is simple to spark. A pen, 5 minutes, courage. That's all it takes. Each Stoicism exercise is a light, small yet mighty, crafting a Stoicism mindset that endures. You'll see clearly where others falter, connect where others drift, shine where others dim. That's the power of Stoicism practice. It shapes Stoicism on love and a life you're destined to live. Ideal for Stoicism for women and Stoicism for beginners. Your struggles don't define you. Your perspective does. These Stoicism exercises are your lens to turn chaos into clarity, pain into purpose, and doubt into strength. If this stirred your soul, comment, "I shift my lens." Share your favorite Stoicism exercise, maybe Mirror of Distance or Dawn of Intent, and join our 7-day Stoic Lens Challenge. Pick one Stoicism practice, live it daily, and tag a friend to join. Hit like, subscribe to Stoic Rain for more Stoicism motivation and Stoicism lessons, and share this with someone lost in life's fog. Ready for Stoic philosophy's clarity and calm, packed with Stoic quotes. Your power is your perspective. Your strength is your clarity. With these Stoicism daily practices, you're not just living, you're crafting a life of wisdom and meaning. Let's reframe with Stoic Rain.